This video will show you how to configure your energy controller to get the most out of your commercial building's heating and lighting systems. We will look at a 5,000 square meter department store that includes a retail sales area, a warehouse and a parking garage. Heating and lighting are controlled according to the shop and the warehouse operating hours. After you log on to the system, go to the Load Control menu. Here, you see the building's heating and lighting control features, which were programmed when the system was installed. Heating for the shop and warehouse, which are not necessarily used at the same times, as well as the lighting for the parking garage, have all been programmed. As you see on this screen, the shop's heating system is on, and the temperature is 19.9 degrees Celsius. You can also see that the warehouse's heating system is off, and the warehouse temperature is currently 18 degrees Celsius. You can also see that the parking garage lights are on. To check or modify any of the function features set up, simply click on the area you would like to check or modify. Here, for example, you would click on Shop to access the retail sales area's heating system. Once you click on Shop, you see the retail sales area heating configuration with the settings Comfort, 20 degrees Celsius here, Reduced, 16 degrees, and Out of Frost, 8 degrees. To change the setting temperatures, click on Modify. For example, you can change the Reduced setting from 16 to 14 degrees Celsius. You can also modify the shop's weekly heating program by clicking on Define the typical week. The way the system is currently programmed, the shop heating system is set to Comfort every day from 9 AM to 7 PM except Sunday. Outside of these hours, it is set to Reduced. If the shop opening hours change to 9:30 AM, for example, you can change the Comfort settings start time to 9:30. To do this, simply change the Reduced settings end time to 9:30. And then change the Comfort settings start time to 9:30. You can also modify the retail sales area's annual program by clicking on Yearly Heating Shop. This feature lets you configure the times of the year when the heating system is in operation. Here, the heating system is used from the 1st of October to the 30th of April. If you want to change this, you can program the heating season to start on the 15th of October, for example. Let's go back to the main screen. Here, you can override the weekly and yearly programs by clicking on Exception Period List. Here, this feature is used for holidays like Easter or Christmas when the shop is closed. The heating will be switched to the Out of Frost setting. The system will automatically go to Out of Frost every year on Christmas Day. You can add more exceptions by clicking on Add an Exception Period. For example, you would use this feature to program additional shop opening days like the Sunday before Christmas. Click on Exception Periods to view all of the exceptions you've programmed. In this video, you saw some of the load control features offered by the on-site energy management solution that can be used to control a department store's heating and lighting. These features can also help you optimize other loads, like ventilation, for any kind of small to medium-sized commercial building.